Is your crypto safe? What Google's quantum discovery actually means. Last week, Google published a research paper that sent shockwaves through the crypto world. Headlines started screaming that quantum computers could crack Bitcoin in 9 minutes. Social media erupted. Crypto investors started panicking. So today, I want to cut through all the noise and tell you exactly what Google actually said, what it means for your crypto, and what, if anything, you should do about it right now. Welcome to Fuel Your Wealth. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about what Google actually published. On March 31st, Google's quantum AI research team released a paper titled Safeguarding Cryptocurrency by Disclosing Quantum Vulnerabilities Responsibly. That title alone tells you something important. This was a responsible disclosure, not an attack announcement. Google's own researchers are trying to warn the industry so it can prepare. Here is what the paper actually says. A sufficiently powerful quantum computer could theoretically derive a Bitcoin private key from a public key in approximately 9 minutes. That sounds terrifying, until you understand what sufficiently powerful actually means in this context. Today's most advanced quantum computers operate with somewhere between 1,000 and 2,000 functional qubits. The attack described in Google's paper would require a quantum computer with roughly 4 million qubits, and not just any qubits, but highly stable error-corrected qubits that don't exist yet anywhere on Earth. Google also slashed its previous estimates of how many resources this attack would require by a factor of 20, meaning the threat is more efficient than scientists previously thought. But efficient and imminent are two very different things. Every credible expert quoted in response to this paper, from CoinDesk to Bloomberg to DL News, puts the timeline for a quantum computer capable of this attack at roughly 10 years from now, with some saying longer. Your crypto is not in danger today. But here's the part that actually matters. Google is not trying to scare you. They're trying to wake up the crypto industry. Because 10 years sounds like a long time, but in the world of blockchain, where Bitcoin's code has to be changed through community consensus, where protocol upgrades take years of debate, 10 years is not that far away. The crypto networks need to start developing quantum-resistant cryptography now, while there's still time to do it methodically. So what does this actually mean for you as a crypto investor? If you're holding Bitcoin or Ethereum right now, you are not at risk today. The encryption protecting your wallet is still mathematically secure against any computer that currently exists. Continue using your hardware wallet, protect your private keys, and don't make panic decisions based on headlines that left out the most important context. However, if you are a long-term crypto holder, someone who plans to hold Bitcoin or Ethereum for 10 or more years, this is something worth paying attention to. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum are actively working on quantum-resistant upgrades. Ethereum has already begun discussing post-quantum cryptography as part of its long-term roadmap. Bitcoin's path is harder because it requires community-wide consensus, but the conversation is happening. The networks that survive the quantum era will be the ones that upgraded in time. There's also a category of crypto that is specifically designed to be quantum-resistant from day one. Projects like Algorand, QRL, Quantum-Resistant Ledger, and several others that use lattice-based cryptography instead of the elliptic curve cryptography that Bitcoin uses. These projects could potentially see renewed interest as the quantum threat timeline becomes clearer over the next few years. Here is the bottom line. Google did not crack Bitcoin. Google's quantum computer cannot crack Bitcoin today, but Google's researchers, the smartest quantum computing team in the world, are telling the crypto industry that the clock is ticking and the time to prepare is now, not in 9 years when the threat arrives. That is worth taking seriously. If you hold crypto, the smart move is to stay informed. Watch for quantum-resistant upgrade announcements from the networks you hold, and not keep large amounts of crypto sitting in old, reused wallet addresses, because those are the wallets most vulnerable to a future quantum attack. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Fuel Your Wealth for more videos like this every week. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research.